Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and you're checking my video tutorials. Well, today's video is all about the login screen that I have created in my previous video. I will do some modification in this particular file. I would like to add a background color of login screen along with the images. So let me show you my file that I've created in my previous video. If you have not seen my previous video of how to create a simple login screen, then you can go ahead and check. And I would first open this file just to have a look how this page looks like, and I will also like to open the code of this file in a notepad. So this is the file that I have created in my previous video, and this is the output of the file in a web page form. So in this video I would make a little modification in the code. I would like to show you how the background of this page looks like, and I will add a image of mine over here. So let me minimize this screen. First, before I make changes in this code, I will make a copy of it because I don't want to make changes in the original file. So let me save this file as login with image.html. So it is not recommended to have a larger file name, but just to make a recognition what is this file all about, I have given a file name that recognizes me which type of code I have used in this particular file. So I'm going to save in the same folder, and as you can see the name of this file has changes. So first let me modify the content or a comment tag. This program will show you how to add image and change background color of a web page. Let me save this file, and as I said that I want to change the background look of this web page. So whatever change I need to make, I will change in the body tag. So body style equals to background hyphen color colon border blue, then semicolon with double quotation close. Let me make changes on save. Let me refresh this web page and check whether it's working or not. Okay, so this is the modified screen. What I did is I closed this web page. I don't know why it is not working. So this is the page with a background color. If you want to have a if you want to use different background color, then I would recommend you can go to this site htmlcolorcodes.com/color name, and as you can see there are different type of colors to choose. So according to your choice, you can select the color code or the color name, and you can make changes in this file, that is over here. You can either use color code, that is this code, or you can use name of the color, and once it is done you can make changes in the current file. Let me show you once. Let's say I want to take this color with the color code, so I will select this color code and I will make changes over here. I will replace powder blue with this color code and I will save this file. Let me close this web page. Let me reopen it, and as you can see, the color of my background of this web page has changed. Let me change it back because I like this color. Let me refresh the page. So I made a modification and the background color from white to powder blue. Now, as I said that I want to add an image over here, so I want to add an image below login screen. So in order to do that, first you need to make sure where you have saved that image. For my simplicity, I have kept one image in the same folder of JavaScript where my file is saved. You can have this image file in any location, but I recommend you to keep the image file on the same folder where you have the same file name. So this image file I want to add over here below login screen. So first let me check the code. So over here below this line I want to add a code of this image file. So hit enter and I will use a code imgsrc, that is image source. It's src, image source. So I have to mention the location of the file. So where is the location? Let me go to that folder. So this file is saved in this location, this PC new volume D JavaScript. If I click over here, it will show me the path of this particular file. So let me copy this file and let me save it over here. But I also have to mention the name of the file because I want to upload this file other than these files, and also I'll have to check what is the image extension of this file. So if you check right side, it's JPG, that is joint picture group file, which is recognizing this picture file. So I have to mention photo.jpg over here. So backslash photo.jpg and close this image source location. Then also I want to highlight height and weight because the original file size is much bigger, which is covering almost the entire page. If I do not restrict this dimension of this photograph, it will take this much area. So I want a smaller image size on this particular screen. So what I will do is I will highlight width as, let's say, 200 pixel, and I also want height as, let's say, 220 pixel. But before that, I want to give a name of the file, because when you hover your mouse on the picture file, it will show the name of the picture file. So it's alt equals to my image. You can have any name, so I'm giving it as my image. Once this is done, you can close this image source and you can save the file, and let me have a check whether it's working or not. So as you can see, I have added a picture just above the username and below login screen. So my purpose of this tutorial is already solved, and now it's very basic code that I have modified over here. You can have a different type of code, like you can have a boundary. So for boundary, you can add one more tag as border 1 pixel or 10 pixel. You can make some changes and experiment and check how the output of your code looks like. So hope I have made you understand how to make changes in the current file to have a better look of our web page. So that is it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.